The best gaming laptops have come a long way since they started threatening the desktop space. While previous generations ran significantly weaker than a full-blown tower, the gaming laptops of today can offer all the latest and greatest components, all in a power-efficient and portable chassis. Our favorite picks do all that while balancing affordability and value for money on top. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best laptops in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Apple MacBook Air Laptop. The MacBook Air has long been a favorite of ours here at TechZerd, and for good reason. It's always been a great all-around laptop, offering good performance, a great design, and a reasonable price. And with the latest redesign, it's only gotten better. The new MacBook Air M2 is the best laptop for the money because it provides great value for the price, improving on previous models from Apple. The biggest change with the new Air is the move to a larger display. The 13.6 inches panel is a full 0.3 inches larger than the previous 13.3 inches one. And while that might not sound like much, it makes a big difference in terms of both usability and aesthetics. The extra screen real estate means you can have more windows open side by side, and the bezels around the display have been shrunken down significantly, giving the laptop a much more modern look. The other big change is the addition of a new M2 chip. This is the same chip that's in the 16 inches MacBook Pro, and it offers a significant performance boost over the previous M1 chip. In our tests, we saw a significant increase in both multi-core and single-core performance, making the new Air much better suited for demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Laptop. The new Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is an impressive machine with fine design and excellent quality. This Surface laptop is thin and lightweight, but powerful enough to do most daily workloads. It has an impressive battery life that can last more than 13 hours and comes with a gorgeous Pixel Sense touchscreen that clearly sets it apart from other rivals, including Apple laptops. The Surface keyboard is top-notch and very comfortable to type on. If you are a writer that's going to be typing a lot, getting your hands on this laptop is a no-brainer. The best part is the price is reasonably competitive for what it offers. You get a 13.5 inches Surface Laptop 4 with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB SSD, a Ryzen 5 processor, and more. Even though this is one of the best Microsoft Surface laptops with strong performance, there are not enough ports. You only get the Surface Connect port on the right, one USB-A, one USB-C, and a headphone jack. Or to do what you want with up to 70% more speed and multitasking power than before, an exclusive AMD Ryzen Microsoft Surface Edition processor. Thin, light, elegant design and choice of 2 sizes, light, portable 13.5 or larger 15, that's perfect for split-screen multitasking. Number 3. LG Gram 17 Z90P Laptop. The new LG Gram 17 is a productivity powerhouse with a massive 17 inches screen that somehow weighs only 2.98 pounds. The LG Gram 17 is very light. It's fascinating how light the LG Gram 17 is, especially given the extra weight that a 17 inches display provides. But weight isn't the only biggest selling point for this productivity masterpiece. The battery life is easily the standout feature here, lasting over 13 hours. That's more than enough to last for a full day at work or school. Another feature worth writing about is its keyboard design, which makes typing satisfyingly and not a chore. Add a great power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner, a fast sensor, a fast processor, and sturdy port options for slotting in portable storage and connecting devices. And there's very little to dislike about this laptop. Not everyone needs an expensive bigger screen laptop. While you certainly get what you pay for, the LG Gram 17 is likely not an option if you're on the hunt for a device just to get the work done. But if you are a lover of big screens for watching movies or daily office work, with multitasking a priority, then this impressive machine is worth taking a look. It's a top-notch device that stands above its competition in today's market. Number 4. Dell XPS Touchscreen Laptop. The new XPS 13 2023 is one of the most popular laptops on the market, and for good reason. It's a great all-around device that can handle everything from basic tasks to more demanding ones. One of the best things about the XPS 13 is its portability. It's incredibly light and thin, making it easy to carry around with you. It also has a great battery life, so you can use it for long periods of time without having to worry about recharging. The XPS 13 has always been a great laptop, but Dell has managed to make it even better in recent years. The biggest change for the 2023 XPS 13 is its size. It's now a fraction of an inch smaller in every dimension and about half a pound lighter. The new XPS 13 is just 11.6 x 7.8 x 0.46 inches and 2.8 pounds. The smaller size doesn't come at the expense of performance. The XPS 13 is still one of the fastest laptops around, thanks to its 12th Gen Intel Core i7-1185G7 processor. This quad-core CPU is based on Intel's latest Evo platform and offers excellent performance and power efficiency. The XPS 13's other key specs include 16 GB of memory, a 512 GB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive, a 13.4 inches 1080p touchscreen, and Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics. Number 5. Apple MacBook Pro. The 16 inches MacBook Pro is a creative powerhouse thanks to the M1 Max chip, a beautiful display, and the best speakers you'll ever hear on any laptop. The productivity level of this laptop is incredible. The new purpose-built 16 inches Pro is a whole sturdy computer. If you are looking for a laptop just to check your email, social media, or do other less powerful tasks, then this might not be the laptop for you cause it's quite expensive. Those with a deep enough pocket to purchase this top-notch premium Mac will be very happy they did because the price is worth it. The 16 inches MacBook Pro comes equipped with 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 HDMI port, a MagSafe 3 port, an SDXC card slot, in addition to a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Force Touch trackpad, a Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, and a 140W USB-C power adapter. You can also charge using USB-C. The touchpad is a mammoth 3.9 inches tall and 6.3 inches wide, and covered in glass. The battery life on this beast is remarkable, lasting 15 hours and 30 minutes during testing. The fast charging via MagSafe 3 is great for power users. You can charge up the battery quickly from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.